Good morning to everyone. I am studying in SRIT. I am K. Sumit Abraham in Mechanical Department. Introducing the quartal wave plate. A quartal wave plate is an optical device used to alternate the polarization state of light. It introduces a passive difference of 90 degrees between orthogonal polarization components. This device is widely used in polarization control, optical optical communication and experimental optics. Basic principle of operations. It works by the exploitating bifurcation in a material with difference refrigeration inside of different polarization direction. When linear polarization light passes through the passive shift transforms into circular or optical polarization. The key permit is the thickness of the plate, which is designed to produce the quartal wavelength passive delay. Bifurcation and material properties. Bifurcation is the difference between the refractive index of the original and ordinary and extraordinary rays. Common material used include quartz, mica, and uh, certain plastics. By choice of material effects and wavelength range and efficient of the quartal wave plate. Construction and design. A typical quartile wave plate is a thin flat piece of bifurcating material with frigid precision thickness. It is often mounted between two adjustment polarization or in fixed holder for stability. The design ensure that the passive delay is externally a quadrant of the wavelength of the desired operating frequency. Types of frequency waves plate or zero order plates are made with thin precious waves layers of narrow band width applications. Multiple order plates are thicker and susceptible for board wavelength range but less precious. Achromatic plates combine multiple layers to maintain for, performance over a wide spectrum. Application in polarization control. Quartal wave plates are used to convert linearly polarized light into circular or optical polarization. They are estimate in optical isolator and polarization moderators. In microscopy, they improved contract and enable polarization basic image techniques. Practical practical considerations. The optical the origination of the plate phase fast acts relation of the polarization direction determine the output polarization. Temperature changes can affect diffraction and those the passive delay. Precious alignment is crucial to achieve the desired polarization transformation. Limits and challenges. Wavelength depends limit the effectiveness outside the designed spectrum. Manufacturing toleration can introduce phase errors. Environmental factors like temperature and mechanical stress can impact different performance. Recently advised and inventions. Deplo- Development of achromatic quartal wave plates for board banded applications. Integration into fiber optical systems of compact polarization control using of advanced material like liquid crystals for thermal wave plates. Summary and conclusion. The quartal wave plate is a vector component in modern optical for manipulating polarization. It relies on frequency, precious refrigerant materials and carefully alignment. Ongoing innovation continue to expand its application scope is science and technology. Improve. Thank you for this opportunity.